Welcome to whynew.in. Let us go through the specifications of Dell Latittude E7450. It is powered by 2.6 GHz Intel Core i7-5600U. This processor comes with integrated Intel HD graphics 5500. It also comes with 8 GB RAM, which is also upgradable up to 16 GB. It has inbuilt SSD of 256 GB, which can be upgradable. It has 14 Full HD screen and built-in 720p webcam and microphone. 40Wh external battery supplies power to this laptop, which can run up to 4 hours. This laptop comes with Windows 10 operating system, which can upgradable to Windows 11. Comes to connectivity, it has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Dell Latittude E7450 has all essential ports. 3 USB 3.0 port, 1 HDMI port, 1 SD card, 1 RJ45 port, 1 3.5mm headphone jack. Overall, this laptop is compact, lightweight, durable, and a good performer for office professionals and students. Why choose whynew.in? For good-looking laptops. For quality-tested laptops. For personalized support. For warranty upgradation option. Kindly contact to buy this laptop at whynew.in. Whynew by like new.